Envy, is it a good thing to lie because you respect someone or because you are scared? Whether you are scared, whether you respect them, whether they are your friends, whether they are your enemies, lie is not a good thing. You really want to be truthful to people no matter the situation, no matter the circumstance. Because the truth is, whether you like it or yes, a day is coming, they are going to find out about that thing you tell them. And pray that you haven't gone that far with them, because it will be worse that time. They will lose trust in you, and it is going to cost you a whole lot to buy their trust back. So no matter the situation, be honest with them. As a matter of fact, people will love you the more. No matter who you are, they will love you the more when you are an honest person. If you take this thing, tell them, actually, I'm the one that take it because I was hungry, I'm sorry. If you do a thing, tell them, actually, I'm the one that did it because of this reason, please, I'm sorry. If it's a bad thing, apologize to them, please, I'm sorry. You tell them you agree you are the one that did it. You tell them the reason, and then as the case may be, apologize to them. Guess what? They might be upset with you at the moment, momentarily, understandably. But listen up. With time, they are going to trust you. And the more a person trusts you, is the more you'll be attractive to them. And it is the more they will like you. So no matter the circumstance, you truly don't want to lie to a person. Whether it be your parents, whether it be a friend, whether it be a spouse, as much as you can, be honest with them. If they are going to forgive you, let them forgive you for the truth. If they are going to kill you, let them kill you for the truth. God bless you.